Hello, today's question will be which ones of the hot water heaters are the best, the tankless ones or the storage type ones? Well, obviously if you live in a small apartment and are short for space, the tankless one is the way to go. On the other hand, if you have lots of space, well, it's up to you. It depends also on the demand. The tankless hot water heaters are touted as the heaters that can provide you with an endless supply of water. So if you need an endless supply of water, like for example for 1,000 baths or something in a row, yeah, sure, that's the way to go. Otherwise, well, you've got a choice. Let us take a look at the pros and cons of each one. And I will start with the tankless one. Well, the pros, obviously, they do not take up much space. The installation cost is a lot. There is also a unnecessary, right now, level of complication added to those tanks because of the electronics. Another thing is the flow rate. The flow cannot be through the tank cannot be too high, so that the water has enough time to warm up to the desired temperature. On the other hand, the tank goes through many cycles. Even if you want to wash your hands, the tank has to kick in and warm up and then cool down the coils. So it's this constant warming up and expansion of contraction of materials that contributes to its fatigue. There's also, depends on the area, but there's also they are also very susceptible to calcium buildup and other minerals build up inside the tank, inside the coil. So then it will have to be the coil will have to be replaced. So any type of work on instantaneous hot water heater like this, tankless hot water heater is way more expensive than working on a simple storage type hot water tank. So please keep it in mind. What else? That would be about it, So if you have lots of money to spare, and if you do not mind sometimes lower flow rates from the instantaneous, from the tankless hot water heaters, please do install one. Otherwise, just install the simple, reliable, it's a run-of-the-mill storage type hot water tank. And if you, for example, have bigger demands, you can just step up. Let's say from the usual 40 gallons, like standard 40 gallons hot water storage type hot water tank, as every family has, maybe go to 50 or 60 gallons. That's about it. But the maintenance is less on a storage type hot water tank, and that's a big plus. And when you turn on the water, there is a larger amount of water coming out of the spout because the water is already heated and available. So that's about it for today. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.